Wouldn't, couldn't, didn't, can't. Don't worry, said the doc. Those are just contractions. Did you hear about the actor who fell through the floorboards?
Part of the act?
He was just going through a stage. You want to know why scientists trust atoms?
Yes, why?
Because they make up everything. What sits at the bottom of the sea and twitches?
A mermaid.
A shark.
A nervous wreck. Do you know who's got to leave now?
No.
Me as you crack me up.
That would be moi.
I thought you were gonna join us for supper.
I got to take my younger brother to the mall. Perhaps next time. Thanks for the invite.
In fact, all the macroeconomic indicators suggest that we are headed into a recession.
Ready, superstar?
Yes, sir. I was born ready.
Alright, then let's go for it.
Most people need a place where they feel comfortable handling multiple transactions at once. If you are one of those folks, then Cadexco is the place for you. Cadexco offers money transfer services, Haitian food products, Haitian mango, and beyond. Cadexco also offers a clean, sanitized, spacious store, consumer convenience, genuine, friendly service. In summary, Cadexco offers an all-in-one experience. You want all your problems solved? Visit Cadexco today. Cadexco is located at 577 River Street, Mattapan, Massachusetts, 02126. Their telephone number is 617-298-8650.
Bravo! Once again, you nailed it. Thank you.